Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Our friend Chris over at 309 Custom Audio sent us over this prototype made for the Harley-Davidson Street Glides, 14 and up. So it could be modified to work on the older ones. But something that we've seen that's an issue, those guys specialize in Victory motorcycles. So anybody that's done audio on a Victory knows those inside fairings are infamous for getting wet. So you have to protect the radio when you do the radio relocation and the amplifier. So Daniel Hearn does a ton of Victories, and I know he has a plastic piece that goes over on the Victories. We didn't know it was an issue on the Street Glides until last year, where we had an issue on Chico's bike. Every time it rained or every time he washed the bike, the water would just fall right on the terminals of Sound Digital amp, and then the amp would stay on and kill the battery. So we made a plastic sheet for his bike and any Street Glide we've done after that, where we noticed there were gaps in the fairing. We just automatically added it. So this is nice because it comes pre-cut, it's waterproof, and they actually, looks like they laser cut it so it lines up with the center windshield holes and the gauge pod holes in the corner. So it fits perfectly. Let me flip this around. So the holes are cut to be a perfect fit. And then the holes on the inside line up here with the upper vent screws. And then it goes around and even protects the speaker pod. So if you didn't need it to come down this far, you could just go ahead and cut it here and just protect the center where the electronics are. But this is awesome because in this bike, we have a couple of 1200s, we have a DSP, so it's going to protect this entire area, and it's guaranteed not to get wet. So it's simple, so do it yourself. It's got 3 bolt holes, so it uses the 3 factory mounting locations, and it's a good way to protect your investment. Do you know what the best thing about this is? I just reached out to Chris, confirmed that the email he sent me was correct and the price is correct. It's only $40. So $40 to invest to protect your thousands of dollars in equipment. I just told him to send me 5 to keep in stock for those problematic fairings. But I definitely see value in this. You literally don't have to do anything. All the mounts are laser cut. So you pull your fairing off, lay this in place, put your fairing back on, and your equipment's protected, 100% waterproof. So the guys at 309 Motoring killed it. Chris Perdue and his partner. You can't go wrong. It's $40.